Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, going to take a look at just a wicked fun 1967 Dodge Dart GT. Older resto guys, it's been very well maintained, and man, you want to talk about fun to drive. It has a 340 cubic inch roller engine with a Tremec 5-speed, and I mean it's got a pounding 340 in it with 6-pack carbs. I mean it is fun to drive. Factory white car, of course. It's got the black vinyl top. It's got the black tail stripes. It's got all new pearl white interior in it. Car was actually redone in the 90s. And then just very well maintained. Killer look. It's a hot rod. This is something, guys, if you're not used to horsepower, this isn't the car for you, man. This thing will go. You can see they got the fiberglass hood, hood scoop on it, hood pins. They've got some big and little Cragar SS's on it. And man, does it have awesome sound. We fire this thing up and it's just a head turner. Chrome and stainless is nice. You can pick at it a little bit. A lot of the stuff is actually original. All this stuff's original. I believe the bumpers are original. A couple little stone pecks. Buddy Scott down in Tennessee is the one who found this car for me. He said an older man's had it, and this was just his baby, man. Had a lot of fun with it. There's really not supposed to be many miles on it. Car's got 90,000 original miles on it. There's a photo book in there of when he was restoring the car. See, the vinyl top's in great shape. Love the pearl white interior. Good, solid, straight body. Car's very original underneath. Floor plans and stuff, all that stuff looks original. And it's fun, man. Got awesome sound. We fired this thing the other day to move it around in the shop, and well, I bet your brake light switch is sticking. We'll adjust that. That stainless around there is really nice. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, it's got a little bit bigger tire on the rear than on the front. That rear bumper looks new to me. It is a factory white car. Like I said, I don't know if the white interior is factory. I'll have to look into that. Nice set of Cragar SS's on it. Good body lines. Just a pretty car. Fun car to drive, man. They have converted to front disc brakes. It is a true GT car. Healthy. 340 cubic inch engine. It's got 6-pack carbs and intake. 6-pack air cleaner. It's electronic ignition. It's a roller cam. It's got roller rockers on it. Power steering. Hedman ceramic headers on it. Again, it does have disc brakes, hydraulic clutch. It's got a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission in it. It's got a Dana 410 rear. You can see it's got the factory radiator in it with a shroud. It's got a flex fan up front. Original fender tag still on it. Even though it's not an original car, guys. Like I say, it's a hot rod, man. It is a go fast, have fun car. Aluminum intake. It's got a just awesome sounding dual exhaust system in it. It's got manual cutouts if you want to take those off. I can't imagine you'd do that because this thing just sounds awesome. Trim's nice. The top's in great shape. Original 8-pillar chrome. Again, the car's only got 90,000 original miles on it, so I'd say a lot of this stuff's actually original, and it's nice. Doors are nice and clean. Love the white on white. I think that's pretty. New carpet, new sill plates. Door seams are nice and clean. Bucket seats, got the Hurst pistol grip shifter. Of course, that's not factory. Seats have been all padded and refoamed. Headliner's nice. Factory dash, 90,339. Pretty much all the factory gauges. It's got a, I think it's an oil pressure gauge down there. Factory radio works. You can see it's even got the aftermarket kick panel speakers in it. Love the pistol grip shifter. Dana 410 sure grip. This car's fun, but I'll tell you, if you're not used to horsepower, this car will get away from you. This thing will run, guys. Here's the book on the restoration. I mean, it's just, like I say, just a super cool car. Factory jacks in the trunk here. I think the spare. I can get this up without ripping anything out. It's all body color in the trunk. Spares in there. Wicked cool car. Car, like I say, car's very original underneath. I didn't see where they replaced any panels under there. That Dana's super cool. Car sits good, rides good. Like I say, we'll adjust that brake light pedal. Actually, I'm sorry, we'll probably have to adjust the brake light switch. Looks like it's sticking on. A little wear there in your armrest. Look how nice and clean those jams are. Interior's nice. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. There's the owner's manuals in the glove box. Love the shifter. Blower motor works. Again, radio works. You go ahead and fire it up, Nathan. Yeah, all this trim's nice. Door handles are nice. It's just a pretty car. Nasty little cam in it. Gauges work. Car's got good oil pressure. That's just a cool car, man. Doors open a little. Right there. Radio works, again, blower motor works. Doors open and close nice. Finish is good. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post.